What's up guys, this is Josh, ATM technician. Today I'm going to be walking you through how to clear a bill jam on your cash dispenser unit. So the very first step you're going to do is once you get the door open, you're going to see that there's a drawer that slides your CDU out. And the first thing you're going to want to do is lift this little thing like a car hood. There's going to be a little metal bar in there. You just slide it forward and you lift that up like so. The second step is to take your cash cassette out. You're going to want to place it on the ground there. And on the right side of the CDU, there's going to be a little blue wheel. You're going to want to turn that counterclockwise. And you want to listen as you turn it to see if there's any kind of bill jam. You want to listen for a bill inside of there and be able to turn it. You only can really turn this one way. If you can't hear anything, you want to visually look. You're going to see if there's any bills stuck in there. You're also going to want to see if there's anything in the reject tray that is going to be stopping you from anything. If you can't see any kind of bill jam, or if you have cleared the bill jam, maybe there isn't a bill jam, it could be a sensor issue. You're going to want to close this. Make sure that that bar goes all the way back. You're going to want to put your cash cassette back in. And then slide it back in. And that should be good to go.